too. Remember, we want the new shell to look just like the old shell. Ready? Let's match the colors. Look at this hermit crab. His shell is way too small. Let's make his new shell look just like his old shell. Which color is this hermit crab's old shell? Now the crab has a shell that fits. Look how happy it is. Let's help the next crab. This hermit crab also has a shell that's too small. First, let's make this new shell look like his old shell. Great! Now we need to match the pattern on his new shell to the pattern on his old shell.
Hey, get out of here.
We made the new shell just like the old one. And now the hermit crab is happy and